Ever wondered if your RingCentral calls are secretly powered by magic, or if there's some complex wiring happening behind the scenes? What about that Wi-Fi network you've painstakingly set up in your office or home? Does it even play a role when you're making a critical business call through RingCentral? It's a question that surprisingly few people ask, yet it underpins the entire functionality of modern communication platforms like RingCentral. In a world increasingly reliant on remote work, cloud-based solutions, and seamless connectivity, understanding the nuts and bolts of how your communication tools operate is no longer just for IT geeks. It's essential for everyone, from the CEO to the newest intern. Think about it. You're in a coffee shop, connected to public Wi-Fi, and suddenly your RingCentral app rings. Or you're at home, with your trusty Wi-Fi router beaming signals throughout your house, making calls and joining video conferences with ease. Is Wi-Fi the secret sauce, or just a convenient accessory? This isn't just about curiosity. It's about ensuring reliable communication, optimizing your network, and troubleshooting issues when they arise. If you rely on RingCentral for sales, customer support, internal team collaboration, or even just keeping in touch with clients, understanding its relationship with Wi-Fi can directly impact your productivity, call quality, and overall user experience. So, let's dive deep into the fascinating world of RingCentral and its interaction with Wi-Fi. We'll uncover the core technology that makes RingCentral tick, explore the various ways Wi-Fi fits into its operational model, discuss the pros and cons of relying on Wi-Fi for your business communications, and equip you with the knowledge to ensure crystal-clear calls and seamless collaboration, no matter where you are. At its heart, RingCentral is built upon Voice over Internet Protocol, or VoIP technology. What does that mean in plain English? It means that instead of using traditional phone lines, those old copper wires that carried analog signals, RingCentral converts your voice into digital packets of data and sends them over the internet. This is a fundamental shift that allows for incredible flexibility and a host of advanced features that traditional phone systems simply can't offer. Now, how does Wi-Fi fit into this VoIP puzzle? Here's where it gets interesting. For RingCentral to function, it absolutely requires an internet connection. And Wi-Fi is one of the primary ways, and often the most convenient way, to establish that internet connection. When you're using the RingCentral desktop application on your computer, or the mobile app on your smartphone or tablet, your device needs to be connected to the internet. If you're not plugged directly into an Ethernet cable, then Wi-Fi becomes your go-to. Your Wi-Fi router acts as a bridge, taking the internet signal from your internet service provider, ISP, and broadcasting it wirelessly to your devices. These devices then use that Wi-Fi connection to send and receive the data packets that make up your RingCentral calls, messages, and video conferences. In essence, Wi-Fi enables the internet part of Voice over Internet Protocol. Without a stable internet connection, whether via Wi-Fi or wired Ethernet, RingCentral simply cannot operate. It's not a standalone system. It's a cloud-based communication platform, meaning its core infrastructure and services reside on remote servers accessible via the internet. So, while RingCentral itself doesn't use Wi-Fi in the same way a cordless phone might use its base station, it heavily relies on Wi-Fi as a conduit for its internet connectivity. This is crucial because the quality of your Wi-Fi connection directly impacts the quality of your RingCentral experience. Think about it. If your Wi-Fi signal is weak, intermittent, or saturated with other network traffic, those voice and video data packets might get delayed, lost, or arrive out of order. This can lead to choppy audio, pixelated video, dropped calls, and general frustration. This is why RingCentral, and any VoIP provider for that matter, emphasizes the importance of a stable and robust internet connection. They often recommend specific minimum upload and download speeds, low latency, and minimal packet loss to ensure optimal performance. While Wi-Fi offers unparalleled flexibility, allowing you to make and receive calls from virtually anywhere within your network's range, it also introduces potential variables. Unlike a wired Ethernet connection, which provides a direct and usually more stable link to your router, Wi-Fi signals can be susceptible to interference from other devices, physical obstructions, and even neighboring Wi-Fi networks. This is why, for critical desk phone deployments, RingCentral often recommends connecting via Ethernet for maximum reliability, even though many of their supported desk phones can connect via Wi-Fi if the phone itself has that capability. However, for mobile users, the RingCentral app is designed to seamlessly switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data, offering a level of redundancy and flexibility that's invaluable for today's mobile workforce. If your Wi-Fi signal drops, the app can intelligently transition to your mobile data plan, ensuring your call remains uninterrupted. You can even configure the app to prioritize one over the other based on your preferences. This intelligent handover is a testament to how RingCentral leverages various internet access methods to maintain connectivity. Beyond just voice calls, Wi-Fi powers the entire suite of RingCentral features. Team messaging, video conferencing, file sharing, online faxing, call management. All of these cloud-based functionalities rely on a consistent internet connection, which, for most users, means a reliable Wi-Fi network. The Cloud PBX, Private Branch Exchange System, which is essentially the brains of RingCentral's phone system, exists entirely in the cloud, accessed over the internet. So, every call routing decision, every voicemail retrieval, every call recording, it all happens over your internet connection, facilitated by Wi-Fi. The beauty of this Wi-Fi-dependent, cloud-based model is its scalability and accessibility. You don't need expensive on-premise hardware to make it work. As long as you have a device and an internet connection, and Wi-Fi is the primary enabler for many devices, you're good to go. This makes RingCentral incredibly attractive for businesses of all sizes, especially those with remote or hybrid workforces. Employees can connect from their homes, coffee shops, or client sites, using their existing Wi-Fi or mobile data to stay connected and productive. To sum it up, RingCentral doesn't have a direct Wi-Fi component in the traditional sense, but it fundamentally relies on an internet connection, and Wi-Fi is the dominant wireless technology that provides that connection for many of its users. Understanding this symbiotic relationship is key to optimizing your RingCentral experience, ensuring clear communications, and leveraging the full power of this robust, cloud-based platform. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.